Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at heavy flooding in Athens, Greece. The flooding was caused by heavy rainfall from Storm Ballos, which hit the area on October the 14th, 2021. The storm caused power cuts throughout the city, with residents warned not to leave their homes. Traffic was halted as water filled the streets, leaving citizens stranded. The storm also impacted other areas of Greece, including Thessaloniki and the island of Evia, which has recently been hit by wildfires. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.